Hi, I'm Karina, and I am on a journey to share with you the tools that I am using through healthy eating and fitness to better my life. So please stay around. We are going to show you some great workouts, some tips, some tricks, every once in a while some healthy eating, and all of the successes and challenges along the way. Let's get to it. Hey guys, how are you? It's the beginning of the week. If you are new here, I am Karina. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. We are on a mission through healthy eating and our fitness journey to better our life. And I'm happy you found our channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we are here for you twice a week with healthy tips, tricks, and some amazing workout options. If you're not new, I love you guys and I'm so happy to see you. I hope that you can see that I'm back at the marina today. Actually, I've been at the marina about 4 or 5 days a week now in getting back into Bikram yoga. So that's been fantastic. And so I am excited for this week. I'm feeling amazing. Last week, I know I didn't get too many hard workouts in because the kids were sick, but this week they are not. So there is nothing holding me back and we are gonna get some amazing stuff in. Don't forget that we will have a tip for you and we got some new stuff in the gym. So I'm gonna be using that this week as well. And I hope you guys are having an amazing week. It is week 9 and things are going fabulous. I can't be more grateful for your support. And so let's just show you what we had in store this week. So this week for our tip, I wanted to talk about muscle recovery. So you guys may have noticed in some of my recent workouts that I am increasing the intensity. So some of my compound movements and my lifts are always going to be the same, but I will start increasing incrementally the weights that I do in order to continue to build strength within my journey. With that comes sore muscles. So this week, with doing Bikram yoga 5 times this week and getting 4 workouts in, after working out 9 times, I'm really sore. I've been really sore. So one thing that is really important to me is muscle recovery. So I will talk about supplements next week and the things that I take for muscle recovery. But today I wanted to talk about the tools and show you some of the things I use. So one thing that you've probably heard of 1,000 times are a foam roller. So I foam roll sometimes before a workout, especially like if I know I'm gonna work out my quads and they're already a little bit sore from the last leg day, I will use this. This is the larger one. Yes, I keep the plastic on it because it keeps the dog hair off. But this is a standard foam roller that is good for any part of the body, but it does really help for my back injury also.
I also have a rumble roller. So this is one of the rollers. It's a little bit squishier. It obviously has the nodules on here and the indentations that make a really big difference when you're rolling out. So I really like this one for my lower body, especially in the glute area, as well as the lower legs, because I can really put all of my body weight on here and it makes a huge difference. And then if I really need to dig into certain spots that are really hurting, like sometimes the top of my quads will really hurt, or even at the top of my thigh, especially after a leg day, this is my favorite roller. So I had someone who has shown me this roller before. I ended up having to look really hard to find it on my own, but I did. And so this one, it has obviously these guys in the middle. It has the attachment so that you can lay it on the floor. I like to do that when I'm putting my calf muscle on here and roll it back and forth. But these also come off so that you can then use it as a hand tool and dig in to your legs or any body part that's necessary. I typically only use this for my legs, again for my calves, but mostly on the back and the front of my legs because it allows me to dig into those muscles, relieves a lot of the lactic acid buildup that I get. Last but not least, especially when I'm working out a lot, I get really restless legs and it's hard for me to sleep. So a couple of months ago, I finally invested in a theragun that gives me the opportunity to utilize a whole bunch of different tops here that you can attach to it depending on the part of your body that you're working with. This is my favorite for the feet, but it turns on, it's very simple. And there's different levels, but it creates a massaging sensation in the muscle. You can get really deep and it really helps. So these can get really expensive. They can be like $500, $600, $700. I got this one for $80 on Amazon. It's from AllSafe, not sponsored. Don't know who they are. They don't know who I am. Hit me up though. Just kidding. But this has been amazing. I love it. It gives me such relief, especially at the end of the day. So I hope you guys are taking care of your muscles. I hope you're taking care of yourself, and let's keep showing you what we're doing this week. Hey guys, it's Saturday, the week is over, week 9 is done, and we are feeling amazing. I have a lot of updates for you guys this week. So first and foremost, I am bummed to tell you that my Spartan has been postponed. As you guys know, I've been working towards that. I got the email this week that due to some COVID restrictions, it is being moved to August. But I guess the silver lining there is it's already paid for, and now I just have more time to train and to lose a little more weight. Speaking of weight, we are down 13.5 pounds. So I am excited about that. I'm sure you can see it in my smile and feel it in my energy, but it's been a really good week and I feel so much smaller this week. I know that sounds weird, but I just do. I feel great. So those are two of the updates that I have for you guys. And the last update that I have is that I have decided to officially be registered as a certified trainer, a certified nutritionist, and a weight loss coach. So I am going to be working on those certifications in the next upcoming months. I think that it will only help me to continue my education and knowledge at the same time that I am in my own journey and sharing it with others. That way I am not doing it in an uneducated manner. And so I'm excited about that. I'm excited to share that with you guys and show you how my knowledge and my journey continues to evolve. But I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I hope you enjoyed this week's tip around muscle recovery and how important that can be. I hope that you guys are enjoying the variety of workouts. It's giving you some inspiration and overall motivation, because you guys, again, are always here motivating me, and I can't thank you enough for that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you have any friends, family, or just for the fun of it, to show others exactly what we all are doing and going through at the same time to help motivate and be there for each other. I hope you guys are having a good one. I cannot wait to see you next Monday, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.